Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the total number of apps that can access your location in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here you can see my Android home screen. Now you may be thinking that how to find the total number of apps that can access my location, right? So for this, what you can do, just go to the phone settings. Now under the phone settings, you will get one option named as privacy. Just click on it. Now under the privacy options, on the first list you can see your permission manager, right? So just click on it. Now wait for a few seconds. Now under this permission manager, you can see an option named as location. Now here you can see your total number of apps that can access your location is total number is 56, and right now 18 apps has been allowed to access your locations. Now when you click on this location, it will display all the apps that can access your locations. So by going to these options, you can find out the total number of apps that can access your locations in Android smartphones very easily. And even by going to these options, you can find out how many of the applications has been allowed to access your locations in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this option, then definitely you should find it out, and you should check by yourself that which apps are allowed to access your locations. So this will be very good. If you don't want the respective apps to access your locations, then you can go to these options and you can turn off the location options one by one on the respective applications that you don't want to allow that apps to access your locations. So if you never known about these options, then you should definitely try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.